Landing pages are important, so when you click on an ad, you'll go through to a landing page, and essentially with a landing page, if that landing page isn't relevant to the clicks or the person who clicked on your ad, then obviously you're going to waste your money. A couple of things that can make a landing page bad. One is that it doesn't answer the question that the person has asked of Google when they've clicked through. The next thing would be that it doesn't have, of course, contact details or an ability to get in contact with the client. And thirdly, it's about the behavior of people on the site. So if they don't like the look of it, if it's clunky, if it's not aesthetically pleasing, then you're going to get people jump off, even if they're interested in your product.